Today we're going to demonstrate the auto elevation calibration for our S940. We're going to start from our grade control screen, press and hold the first soft key, then the fourth, let them go together. That will take us to our hidden tuning screen. We're then going to arrow down using our second soft key to the calibration wave. We'll then select OK. Here you're going to find that it allows you to choose between the left elevation, SLS, as well as your right elevation. We're going to choose our left elevation to start, select OK. It's going to give you all the icons here for the setup for doing the auto calibration. The machine needs to be between 100 and 150 degrees on the hydraulic fluid. You need to be set up between 75 and 100 feet away from the laser. Your elevations need to be lowered to 50% to allow for the head to travel up and down without bottoming out the cylinder. You need to be off the machine and have it as level as possible. You're going to need to install the receivers and the coil cords on the machine. You're then going to have to manually bring them into the beam so that they are on grade. You're then going to raise the throttle of the engine to full RPMs, and then you're going to hit OK. The machine's going to ask you if you're capable of turning on the vibrator and everything is clear. You're going to say OK. It's then going to ask you if you're ready to calibrate the machine. You're going to say OK. And you're going to see the percent, which starts at 0 and works its way to 100%, going 25 at a time. After it reaches 100%, the calibration is complete and you can move on to the other side.